Words on this sign read Climate Refuge, a museum acting as a cool place to shelter from the heat, more of which could be desperately needed in the future. According to a report by over 100 researchers from international institutions, heat-related deaths could increase 4.7-fold by the middle of this century without global action on climate change.
Heat-related mortality of adults over 65 years of age, a very vulnerable age group, have increased by 85% since the 90s alone. And we now know that more than half of that increase wouldn't have occurred if temperatures hadn't increased. So we know that it's climate change causing this.
The 2023 report of the Lancet Countdown on Health and Climate Change was published on Wednesday and outlines the imperative need for a health-centred response in a world facing irreversible harms. It states that in 2023, the world saw its highest global temperatures in over 100,000 years, and also that areas affected by extreme drought are growing, jeopardising water security, sanitation and food production. One of the solutions posed by this researcher is to consider how infrastructure and economies plan for rising temperatures.
For example, the existence of terraces, green roofs, these work. Blue zones, parks with fountains and climatic shelters work. Therefore, things that are known to work at the local level should be applied.
But first, he says the goal is to drastically reduce greenhouse gas emissions. According to the report, 1,337 tonnes of carbon dioxide is still emitted every second, the consequences of which could be dire on our health systems.